Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to use nail art brushes to give your nails a cute and professional look. So keep watching. Before we begin, let's check out the nail art brushes we will be using. Here we have a dotting pen, a small flat brush, a liner brush, a fan brush, and a pointed detailed brush. Step 1. Start by preparing your nails. Clean off any old nail polish, shape the nails, and apply a base coat to protect them. Step 2. Choosing a design is the most fun part. You can get as creative as you want. Remember that practice makes perfect. Before you begin painting your nails, practice the strokes on paper to become comfortable with using your brushes. Today we are trying out these 3 designs using our brushes. Design number 1, using a liner, brush and a dotting pen for this design. First, you have to apply white nail polish on your index and middle finger, baby blue nail polish on your ring finger, and baby pink on the pinky and your thumb. Now use a liner brush, dip it in black nail polish, and make a horizontal line on the middle finger. To make polka dots, dip the dotting pen in black nail polish and press it against your index finger. If you press too hard, the pink base will be ruined. To remove any extra nail polish from the area around your nails, dab a cotton swab in nail polish remover. An acrylic polish remover pen can be used for precise cleanup. Finally, to give your design protection and a glossy finish, use a clear top coat. Allow it to get completely dry and you're done. Design number 2, using a fan brush. Choose at least 3 nail polish colors that go well with each other. For this design, we'll use a light and a dark color to create contrast. First, paint the nails with dark blue nail polish. Apply some white nail polish to a paper towel. Dip one side of the brush into the nail polish and wipe some off. Stroke from right to left and left to right, and you will get a beautiful brushstroke design. Then clean the same brush by dipping it into acetone. Now dip the ends of the same brush into light purple nail polish and use the stroke technique to apply it to the nail. Finally, to clean around the cuticle, use a flat brush or a cotton bud and dip it into nail polish remover to clean out any mess around the nail. Apply a top coat and you are done. Design number 3, using small flat brushes. For this design, first, paint the nails with a bright pink nail polish. Then dip the flat brush's edge into the white nail polish color. Wipe away any excess with a tissue. Simply press down and then lift the flat brush tip to make a petal shape on the nail. Repeat around one point to create the petals of the flower. For added depth, layer multiple layers of petals. Apply an orange-colored nail polish dot to the center of each flower with a dotting tool or toothpick to make the stamen. Then repeat the technique with the rest of the nails and have some fun with other colors. Finally, to get a glossy finish, apply a clear top coat and you're done. And there you have it. The secrets to getting professionally done nails at home. Remember that practice makes perfect, so don't give up if your initial attempts aren't perfect. Your nail art skills will get better with time and patience, and you will be ready to create stunning designs. If you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to find out more about nail art.